Hello and welcome back to Talk English Now. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to talk about the power of practicing English every day, even if you only have a few minutes, especially when you're learning slowly and clearly, step by step. You might feel like your English isn't improving fast enough, or that you're forgetting what you learned yesterday, or maybe you still think in your native language and then try to translate. I want to tell you something very important. Fluency doesn't happen all at once. It grows slowly, like a plant in a quiet garden. And that's why daily practice, even just a little, is magical. Let's start with something simple. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, and instead of checking your phone or rushing into your day, you take 2 minutes, just 2, to say a few simple English sentences out loud. Good morning. I feel a little tired, but today will be a good day. That small act of using your English voice right at the start of the day is powerful. Because your brain hears you, your tongue remembers the rhythm, and your confidence grows without pressure. Now you repeat. Good morning. I feel a little tired, but today will be a good day. Let's say it again together. Good morning. I feel a little tired, but today will be a good day. You don't need a perfect accent, and you don't need perfect grammar. What you need is connection to the language, to your own English voice. And daily practice gives you that connection, like a small stream feeding into a big river. Let's imagine another moment. You're walking outside, maybe going to work or school, and in your mind you say, "The sky is blue today. I can hear birds. I feel the sun on my face." That is thinking in English. That's fluency in motion. And that can happen with just a little daily effort. Try it now. Say this with me. The sky is blue today. I can hear birds. I feel the sun on my face. Now you repeat. The sky is blue today. I can hear birds. I feel the sun on my face. Even when you're tired or busy, your brain is still listening, still learning. And when you practice daily, even for 3 minutes, you're telling your mind, "Hey, English matters to me. I want this to grow." Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried learning something for one day and expected to remember it forever? Probably not, right? So why do we expect English to stay with us after one lesson a week? Language is like a path you walk every day. Even slowly, you're still getting somewhere. Let's talk about one common problem. Many learners say, "I forget what I study," or "I know this word, but I can't use it when I speak." And I understand, that's normal. But here's the good news. Daily practice, even for 5 minutes, helps move English from your short-term memory into your long-term habits. For example, if today you hear the word coffee just once, you might forget it. But if you hear it 5 days in a row and say it out loud each time, "I like coffee, I need coffee, no work." Suddenly, it's part of you, like brushing your teeth. It becomes automatic. Let's try it together. I like coffee. I need coffee. No work. Say that again with me. I like coffee. I need coffee. No work. That's the rhythm of real life. And the rhythm of learning. You don't need new words every day. You need familiar ones that feel like old friends. Now let me share a gentle challenge. Pick one small time every day, maybe after lunch, maybe before bed, and make it your English moment. It could be 1 minute. it could be 5. Maybe you stand in front of a mirror and say, I had a long day, I cooked rice for dinner, I watched a movie. These are not textbook sentences. They are real. They are yours. Try this with me now. I had a long day. I cooked rice for dinner. I watched a movie. Again. Slowly. I had a long day. I cooked rice for dinner. I watched a movie. Let's pause here. How does that feel? Speaking real English about your real day. It's not about perfection. It's about expression. You see, the brain loves routine, and the heart loves progress. So when you give yourself this small moment each day, you're doing both, creating structure for your brain and encouragement for your heart. Daily practice is not boring, it's quiet power. It's showing up for yourself, even if no one else hears you speak, even if you're whispering in your room. That moment still counts. Which part of your day could become your English time? Morning coffee? A short walk? Your bedtime thoughts? Pick a time. Make it yours, and you'll feel the magic in just a few days. Let me ask you this. Have you ever planted a seed? Did it grow in one day? No, but you watered it daily. You gave it sunlight, and slowly it grew. That's what your English is doing right now. And if you're enjoying this lesson so far, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more daily English practice. Your support helps us keep making these videos just for you. Let's talk about shadowing now. Shadowing is when you hear a sentence and then you repeat it, almost like an echo, right after the speaker. It helps your brain connect sounds, rhythm, and meaning together. It's one of the best ways to train your mouth and your mind to think in English. Let's practice with this short moment. I'm feeling good today. I have energy. I'm ready to learn. Now you shadow me. I'm feeling good today. I have energy. I'm ready to learn. You don't need to copy perfectly. You just need to stay close. Hear the sounds, feel the words, say them back. The goal is not perfection. Fluency is about flow, not rules. Now let's imagine you're at a cafe, ordering a drink. The barista asks, "What would you like?" You can say, "I'd like a tea, please. No sugar." Let's say that again together. "I'd like a tea, please. No sugar." Again, with feeling. "I'd like a tea, please. No sugar." That short phrase, so simple, can become yours. If you say it again tomorrow, and the next day, and the next, it becomes part of your natural English voice. Now let's practice speaking about the weather. It's a topic that comes up almost every day, and it's great for daily English. Try this. It's warm and sunny today. I might go for a walk. Again, it's warm and sunny today. I might go for a walk. Can you imagine yourself saying that out loud in the morning, just before leaving the house? These little moments are the bricks of your fluency. Let me ask you a question. What's stopping you from speaking every day? Is it fear? Is it time? Is it confidence? Whatever it is, I want you to know. It's okay. You don't need to feel ready. You just need to begin. And you don't have to speak to someone else. You can speak to yourself, to the mirror, to your notebook. English is still English, even when you're the only one listening. Now try this short reflection. I'm learning English, and I'm doing my best. I trust the process. Say it with me. I'm learning English, and I'm doing my best. I trust the process. That's a powerful phrase to say every day, like a reminder that you are moving forward, Even if it's slow, it's still progress. Let's imagine a simple scene now. You come home from work, you sit down and say, I had a long day. I answered emails. I spoke with my coworker. Say it now. I had a long day. I answered emails. I spoke with my coworker. Can you see how this fits into your real life? English becomes part of your day. Not something extra, not something separate, just part of you. And now, let's try something even more natural. Talk about your feelings. Repeat this. I feel calm right now. I feel proud of myself for practicing today. Say it again. I feel calm right now. I feel proud of myself for practicing today. Daily English isn't only about what you say to others, it's also about what you say to yourself. Let's go back to the idea of planting a garden. Every word you speak is like a drop of water, every sentence, a bit of sunlight. And when you show up each day, even for a short time, your garden starts to bloom. So many learners give up because they don't see fast results. But what if I told you, slow learning is often deep learning, just like a tree that grows strong roots underground, even before the leaves appear. Let's try some relaxed present tense phrases. These are great for your daily routine practice. Say with me, I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I start work at 9. Again, slowly. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I start work at 9. Now you try a version about your own life. Maybe change the time or the action. You could say, I wake up at 8. I drink tea. I study English at 10. Make it personal, because the more it's your story, the easier it is to remember. Here's a little trick. Start each day with the same 3 sentences in English. Something simple like, Good morning. Today I will learn something new. I'm ready to try. Repeat that with me now. Good morning. Today I will learn something new. I'm ready to try. It becomes a habit, and habits are stronger than motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but habits stay with you. Do you ever feel tired and think, I'll skip English today? That's okay, but even if you just whisper one sentence that day, you've kept the habit alive, and that's powerful. Think about your English voice as a muscle. If you don't use it, it gets quiet. But if you use it every day, even gently, it becomes strong. Let me ask you a quick reflection question. What part of your day would be the easiest place to add just 60 seconds of English speaking? Morning? Before lunch? Just before sleep? Think about it now and smile to yourself, because you've already begun. Now, let's imagine you're walking to the store or waiting for a bus. That's the perfect time to practice 1 or 2 English sentences in your head, or softly out loud. For example, I need to buy some fruit today. I think I'll make pasta for dinner. Say this one with me. I think I'll make pasta for dinner. It's not a big conversation, but it's real, it's useful, and it builds your fluency, little by little. Every small sentence is like a step, and each step takes you closer to comfort and confidence in English. Now let's shift to a common area of practice, talking about plans. Try this phrase. Tomorrow, I'm going to study for 15 minutes. Say it again. Tomorrow, I'm going to study for 15 minutes. That's a great sentence to use daily. Not only are you speaking English, you're setting a goal for yourself. You're reminding your brain, I'm serious about this journey. Here's a personal task for you. Write that sentence in your journal, or say it in front of a mirror tonight. Tomorrow, I'm going to study for 15 minutes. Simple, clear, honest. Now, let's practice some feelings, because describing how you feel is a powerful skill in daily conversation. Say this with me. I feel a little tired, but I'm proud I showed up today. Again, I feel a little tired, but I'm proud I showed up today. That's real life, right? Some days we're not full of energy, but practice doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be honest. Let's do one more. I feel more comfortable speaking English now. Say it again. I feel more comfortable speaking English now. Feel that? That little shift in how you see yourself? That's what daily practice does. It changes how you feel about English and how you feel about yourself. And if you're enjoying this lesson, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more daily English practice. It really helps us grow this space and bring you more gentle, helpful lessons like this one. Now, I want to give you one last simple technique that can help you keep practicing, even on busy days. It's called 1-minute English. Here's how it works. You choose one moment in your day, anytime, and speak English for just 1 minute. Talk to yourself about anything, what you see, how you feel, what you're doing. For example, I'm making breakfast. I'm using 2 eggs and some toast. The weather is cloudy, but I feel okay. You don't need a teacher or a textbook. You only need that 1 minute and the habit of showing up. Try it tomorrow. Set a timer if you like. 1 minute of your voice, your English, your growth. Because remember, fluency is not a race. It's a rhythm. Now take a deep breath with me. You've done so well today. You've practiced slowly, clearly, and with heart. Let's finish with a few calm, shadowing lines. Follow me. I'm learning every day, and that's enough. Say it. I'm learning every day, and that's enough. I speak slowly, but with confidence. Say it again. I speak slowly, but with confidence. My English is getting better, 1 sentence at a time. Say it one more time. My English is getting better, 1 sentence at a time. Feel the truth in those words. They're not just practice, they're your progress. And if you ever feel like giving up, just remember, even 1 sentence a day is a win. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope you feel a little more confident and a little more connected to your English voice. You are not alone on this journey. I'm here. We're here. And your English is growing. 1 moment, 1 breath, 1 word at a time. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future lessons. Keep going, keep practicing, and I'll see you again very soon.